My wonderful people, I decided to add more orange and a bit of beetroots. Yes, so bit of beetroots, so that the iron will be more for inside. Okay, and it will give you a purple color instead of orange, because the watermelon has been shallow, the pineapple don't hide. Now only the orange and the carrot now they show you the color. So this one will make say we go add that. We'll come back to you. I no be heather. And I no go watch my video because I dey do na juice. I need to do the love rice. I beg watch my video. I dey do juice. I dey do am too. My own na juice, so my own no be the love rice. I beg. Guys, I don't chop this small the beetroot. We go dey put am. No more you will see the color where you go give am. The beetroot to go inside. We go keep this one for next time. This one next time. So we go put now the beetroot and the orange together. Makes sense. So as I know be heather, now watch me go put the color now. Very purple. The refiner small. Let's finish the orange. You know that we are finished. We don't finish that. I have finished. So my wonderful people, we don't see. I did it. I said it, I will do it. And I will do it, I will make it. As you can see like this. Now this is how many? 1.35 liters. What I don't do like this. This one, now another one way I will fill this one inside. You understand? Then I will mix the two together. You see as they purple now. You see how? Wow. I will mix the two together. It's not yet finished. So my wonderful people, what we go do now, say we will take this one where beetroot they inside. Now see the color of beetroot, see the color of this one. So we will take this one, we mix and here. We mix and here. We take this one, we mix and here. We go mix this one like this.